This Christmas, meet Jack, a big city purchasing agent on a quest for a Mil-Spec connector.
Did you find the connectors?
I'm still looking at it.
Look harder.
Little does he know, a trip to visit family for the holidays will lead to a WireMasters angel changing his life forever.
All right, well, have a good Christmas. You too.
Watch as their worlds collide to complete the perfect bill of materials.
D38999 Series III Mil-Spec connector. I mean, at this point, it's going to be a miracle.
It'll be a miracle if you keep your job after this.
Sorry to bother you,
Yeah.
but did I overhear you say that you're having trouble finding Mil-Spec connectors? We keep hundreds of the most popular connectors in stock, already fully assembled. Come with me.
This holiday season, discover the magic of stock-to-build Mil-Spec connectors and vendor-managed inventory solutions to fill your heart with Christmas cheer.